Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple but very useful tip: how to hide content from your lock screen whenever Google Drive is syncing updates to your files. This setting gives you a bit more privacy, making sure sensitive details in your notifications aren't displayed for anyone to see. Let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and open up the Settings app. This is where you'll find all of the tools you need to control notifications, including the ones coming from Google Drive. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This is the section that shows all the applications you've installed or that came with your device. From there, locate and tap on Google Drive. Since Drive handles your file syncing, this is the app where the notification changes will take place. Now, tap on Notifications. You'll see that Google Drive sends alerts for different kinds of activities, from sharing to syncing. We're going to focus on just one of those categories. Once you're in, tap on Notification Categories. This breaks down the types of alerts Google Drive can send, allowing you to fine-tune each one individually. Under the category called Other, find and tap on Syncing Updates to Files. This is the notification that shows up when your files are being updated or synced in the background. Here, tap on Lock Screen. A new option will open up asking how you want these notifications to appear when your phone is locked. Finally, choose Hide Content, and that's it. With this setting turned on, Google Drive will still notify you about syncing updates, but the details of the notification will stay hidden until you unlock your phone. It's a small step that adds an extra layer of privacy to your everyday use. If you value keeping your information secure and uncluttered on your lock screen, this adjustment is worth making. No more worrying about someone glancing over and seeing what files are being updated. Thanks for watching.